This is Dr. Philip DRICE. This is a supplemental log for August 29, 2012. And Councilman Sanders is asking New York State Senator Shirley L. Huntley to quit. Now, information that I fed to the Attorney General's office and that I fed to so many offices, so many places, not only has her embroiled, but the entire Democratic Party of Southeast Queens, and I, Dr. Philip DRICE, will harvest the behind, the name, the fame, and the freaking glory of every single one of those elected officials in Southeast Queens. I have litigation index number 18741-2011 in New York State Supreme Court. And we were waiting adjudication on a motion to dismiss, and you can't dismiss when your hands are unclean. Attorney General, you cannot prosecute and defend Shirley Huntley at the same time. What is Mr. Sajinsky at 172 Church Street talking about? He's got papers, signed papers, in New York State Supreme Court. I apologize, but that's why I'm not using the profanity. This is for real, people. This is for real. I'm going to have to go to the Attorney General of the Southern District on you. Okay? This is crazy. You guys have a $7.3 million claim. You, Attorney General, said that I couldn't sue them unless I take it to the court of claim. What you doing, man? You're not supposed to even be their lawyer, Mr. Sajinsky. It's not your job. They need to pay a lawyer to defend them. But you wanted to come and be a superhero thinking you're going to save everybody in the Democratic Party. You can't do that, man. If they're wrong, you're wrong. It doesn't matter. It's just that you got everybody in the Democratic Party's hands dirty in Southeast Queens. Every elected official covered up information about the Hangsman's noose in the VA hospital, civil rights violations, diversion of federal funds. What is this? And not what's most egregious is the human toll is that Mayor Bloomberg's administration railroads over 95,000 families out of New York City public housing to keep benign the fact that public housing is closed. I can prove it. Stop the revolving door policy and give a competent administrative process to everybody that's got to be put out of public house like it is by law, and eliminate this remaining family member policy revisions of July 11, 2003, and then you'll have exactly what I said. It's that simple. And there's a way by way you can reverse engineer it, and it's through the Byron S. Medigakis formula, which means that you got 16,000 apartments being made empty at 3.2% turnover rate. Then you have the James J. Golia template. New York State Supreme Court Justice James J. Golia, his template is whether you should be deemed a remaining family member or not. I won that landmark judgment and award. And whether you got a competent administrative process or not. No, I did not. And neither did those close to at least 75,000 people. Come on now. I have everybody in this entire district burnt. I told you people to leave me alone, to go ahead and run my breath tester business. But the time and energy that I spent in this, I'm owed over $5 million. I'm owed over $5 million. I want my money. I want my money. I took an oath to protect the Constitution of the United States of America. I'm a patriot. You guys been lying me as some kind of black social reject in order to have your name, your fame, your glory, and even these guys. Come on now, Sanders, what you doing? What you doing? You know about the information that I have. What you doing about it? Where is her son? Her son is dead. Come on, Mr. Sanders. Ask her, where's her son? Before you ask her to resign. Where's her son? Because that's not the only criminal matter she should be involved in. She should also be involved, along with Congressman Meeks and every other elected official down to Councilman Comrie, Assemblywoman Vivian Cook, who's got cancer, who cannot govern at times, and violated the Constitution, and violated her oath when she was incapacitated and she didn't pass on power. She left the people unprotected. That's enough to have her impeached. So what is this? I've got the biggest scandal to hit New York City since Serpico, and I own it, and I'm going to publish it. Trying to eliminate me won't work. Trying to dismiss me, act like I don't exist, that ain't working either, is it? 100,000 hits on YouTube. Everybody knows about it. It's just that all of the crap that I done that made me look so bad is now coming back to haunt me. Sorry. Bye-bye. You need to quit. You need to quit. Tell me where your son is. That's my witness. That's going to testify against you. Where's your homeless son? People say he's dead. Who killed him? New York State Senator Shirley L. Huntley.